Peter, how does ultrasound turn sound into a baby selfie?
Boom! It's like sonar for your spleen! Ultrasound uses piezoelectric crystals that vibrate when zapped with electricity, sending high-frequency sound waves into your body. These waves bounce off tissues like a drunk guy at karaoke, and the echoes are captured by a transducer.
What happens to the echoes after they're captured?
The transducer's like a bouncer at a club, sorting out the echoes by their strength and how long they took to return. This data is sent to a computer, which turns it into grayscale images. It's like Photoshop, but for your pancreas.
Why is ultrasound better than other imaging methods?
No radiation, no needles, and it's non-invasive, like a hug from your grandma. It's safe for pregnant moms and gives real-time images so doctors can see your insides live, like a creepy reality show about your organs. Plus, it's cheaper than an MRI.
Well, that's a sound explanation. Now I'm ready to echo it back.